So we've been using multi-sprayers since 2001. I think I got 5 of them. This is the latest one where they're now mounting they changed pumps. Now it's an Aquatech, and it mounts on the bottom shelf. They used to just kind of sit in a foam cradle in there. Anyhow, we use this one here to spray solvent-based fabric protector or fiber protector. This stuff here, that's when it's not in an aerosol can, buy it in bulk. Anyhow, somebody put a water base in with a solvent base, and I'll post some pictures at the end of this, and just gummed up the whole diaphragm assembly here, something fierce. And when I went to clean it out, it just made things worse. But if you never see inside the pump head, basically all you got here is a motor. And then here are the pistons, if you want to call it that. Little doodly widgets are falling off. You can see this thing is kind of like an OP bearing, a oscillating pad bearing, in that it causes it'd be hard to do this one-handed, causes the pistons to go up and down. I think you can make that out. Yep. So this is all one piece essentially. This little cap comes off, but if you ever gum it up, leaving the wrong kind of solvent in there, it's going to damage all of this. But I think it's Peter over at Multi-Sprayer was really cool and sent me all this free of charge. So be kind to your multi-sprayers. When you pull this out, you're going to have to unwire it, put tabs, cheater tabs, unless you got a photographic memory. Put tape on there labeling which one's which, because they're not color coded on either side. Although the male and female spade connectors make it really hard to screw up the way they got them oriented. And then these little barbed nipples here go in and out. And then you got these little plugs that go in here, and you pull those out with some snips, gently pull those out, and that allows this plate to come out. But we've been running solvents like Cobb's, solvent protectors, Sagers, through these things and never rinse them out. And the only thing that happens is this portion of the 1/4-inch hose will go hard every year or so. You can tell this one's starting to get a little wonky, but that's more the fluoropolymer inside the fiber protector. But they'll get real stiff, so for whatever 30 cents, throw a new one of those on. But the fiber protector stuff, it's not the solvent that's the problem, it's the fluoropolymer. There's just gobs of that stuff in there, and being that it's isopropyl based, we'll run just regular rubbing alcohol through there to flush it out. But boy, when you put water and solvent base in there and don't flush them out right away, be prepared to replace your pump head. Anyhow, keep your multi-sprayers clean and flushed out. If you're using goofy solvents, definitely put this on a quick connect so you can take that jet off and the lance, flush things out. And there really is no better sprayer in the market. And yes, use the electric one. The battery one's a pain in the butt. Sorry, Pete, just my opinion. Thanks again for the head. And let me get this thing back together. MikeysBoard.com. Join us for the fun.